Here I am solving the another cone problem. I am not doing reading the question here, but according to dimension I am doing. So according to 60 mm diameter, you have to write the cone. Okay. So and the 70 diameter height it is given. Okay. So first draw the circle of 60 diameter and divide equal 12 parts. Okay, then how to divide the 12 parts means first you have to write the vertical line and horizontal line. With respect to horizontal line at the center, you have to give the 30 degree angle line and again 30 degree. Okay, on both sides, left side also, right side also. Okay, you will get the totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts at the top. Okay, so totally 12 equal parts means you have to extend the lines of 30 degree lines, all 30 degree lines, you will get another 6 parts. Okay, so totally 12 parts, 12 equal parts you have to divide the circle. Okay, then project it upwards, you will get the triangle shape in the front view of the cone. Okay, but these generators here there is no slanted, all the generators I am not written in thick lines. Okay, after this we have to write this section. So what is the section here, how it is section is given means it is perpendicular to VP and HP. It is given perpendicular for both the planes VP and HP and according to a distance of 6 mm from axis. Okay, so measure the distance from the axis, so 6 mm. Okay, so mark the 6 mm first and you have to cut the section with respect to both the planes, both VP and also HP. Okay, if you cut this section both perpendicular for both VP and HP, okay, the true shape or section shape is not visible in the front view and top view both. It's not visible. Section part is not visible in the front view and top view. Okay, after section you have to mark it that one. For OA I am marking 1, OB I am marking 2, okay, and OC I am marking 3. And next it is not cut any generators, it will directly cut the base, that is I am marking 4 dash. Okay, so here you can look at the 2 points is there. Okay, that is 2 generators are there in the circumference, it will cut 2 sides. So next point is 5 dash is not visible back side, 6 dash and 7 dash. Okay, so you can how it is came means you can look at OA, only A point is there, next B and L 2 points is there, that was it will come 2 dash 7 dash, like that remaining also. Okay, 2 points will be appear, right? So after this you have to project it downwards to the top view. So here it is visible clearly how many generators is cut at the circumference, at the how much points is cut. See OA you have to mark it the cut section, mark it as 1, OB and mark it as 2, and OC you have to mark it 3, and you can look at the circumference between C and D, that is 4. Okay, as it is upper circumference it will cut between K and J, that is 5. And again you can check the generators OK 6, OL 7. Okay, now we can understand the how it is cut the 2 generators and this one. Okay, in the front view and top view section is not visible, so that's why you have to go for the side view. Okay, so write the 45 degree line with respect to downwards. So always you have to write the 45 degree line with respect to HP. Okay, downwards. After this you have to project each and every line from the top view only. Write the 45 degree line. From all the lines you have to project horizontally first. Horizontally you have to project from the top view, not from the front view. From the top view you have to project horizontally up to 45 degree line, then vertical, as it is you have to project every lines. Okay, after this marking is very important. Here marking is always changes. Okay, so outside I am writing the triangle shape of cone. First you have to dark is that one. Okay, you have to project from the front you have to write the horizontal lines. So intersection points you can draw the side view. First write the cone, it's like look like a triangle. Okay, dark it, make the thick lines. After this you have to write the generators. Okay, generators I am not dark on that one, I am not written the thick lines. Okay, so write all the generators, connect to the vertex, that is O dash, O double dash. You have to mention the double dash in the side views. Okay, naming is very important. Look at this one. Here it will come, first one is J double dash, next K double dash and I double dash. Okay, K double dash, I double dash. It will not come first AB here. Very careful, very careful. Okay, next L double dash, H double dash. Naming is very important here. If you miss this one, so if naming is missed, definitely the problem will be wrong. Okay, so here A will come at the exactly center. Okay, very careful. Side view is entirely different to the front view. Okay, after completing the naming, last one D double dash. Okay, then you have to project this one, cutting section. Okay, left side is visible, right side is not visible. See, K is visible and I is not visible. So like that, what is visible, what is not visible, carefully write down within the bracket or outside the bracket. Okay, so after this you have to project the cutting plane. So carefully you have to directly project horizontal line. First one is OA. OA at exactly the center, you have to mark it to the center, OA. Next, second point, it will be go for OB. So directly write the OB. B is, see this one, that is the B line. So carefully project that one. As it is, next projection is OC. So project the OC. If you project this one, it will cut both the C and K, both. C and K it will be cut. So project that one. Okay, and naming here also, and last projection it is 4 and 5 exactly in the base. Okay, so mark it. First one is 1 dash, second will be, see that one should be K and L. Look at this one, B, second is B is 2 dash. Okay, and 7 dash, same projection you will get the point 7 dash. Okay, L it is there, mark it that one. 7 dash, 7 double dash you have to use, always double dash for the side view. Okay, and 3 and 6 in the same projection. So that is K, that is for C and K, correct? So C 3 double dash, for K, okay, 6 double dash. And last one 4 and 5 is there exactly at the base. So that is between J and D. J and D. So for D it is 4 double dash. Okay, for J it will be D double dash. D double dash, sorry, 5 double dash. Now using the smooth curve, you have to join all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4 one side. So carefully join this one. And 5, 6, 7 another side. Join it like this. So hatch the marked points, marked area. So this completes the front view, top view and side view of the perpendicular section for VP and HP. Thank you.